Hi guys, I'm Lauren, that awkward plant girl. Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see you guys. Thank you guys for popping in. I don't know how good the camera angle is. It's kind of an impromptu video. So I asked on my Instagram stories yesterday which you guys would prefer to see, if you guys want to see like a terrarium video or if you guys wanted to see a birthday haul video. You guys all chose like practically unanimously that you all wanted to see birthday haul plants. So we're totally gonna do that. I also got some birthday plant mail from my friend Finchy over on Talk Planty To Me. Her YouTube channel is amazing. If you're not following her, you're totally missing out. And I'm not saying that just because she sent me plants. Like, go check out her greenhouse cabinets that she's got. She's the queen of pink princesses, queen of greenhouse cabinets. So when you're done here, definitely go check her out for sure. She is amazing, guys. So, and she doesn't give herself enough credit. So make sure you go comment and like her videos because she's awesome. Also, fair warning, I don't know what's in her box that she sent me. I have no idea. So there may be rarer plants or not. I don't know. But me personally, with my little birthday haul, I did not go and spend a bunch of money on a whole bunch of plants. I spent maybe $100 and got a whole bunch of plants because I can't buy just one, you know. So with that, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Like, there's some succulents. I got an alocasia, and there's a peperomia in there. So it's not like super big fancy stuff. So if you're expecting that, then just, yeah, you're forewarned there. I didn't go and buy like some $300 big huge plant because what I ended up spending a lot of my birthday money on is actually supplies for this huge terrarium that I'm building. All of the prices for everything have gone up quite a bit, like doubled and tripled for some of the supplies. So it's taken me a little bit longer to kind of get a hold of everything. And then for some reason, sphagnum and charcoal just kind of poofed and magically vanished. So I have found a place, I have ordered those, and I am getting them in finally. It is finally my turn. So that's kind of what a lot of the birthday money went to. So it is coming, guys. I totally did not forget that. If you've been waiting around for that. So I've got my huge 4-foot terrarium, and I will be doing the backing for it sometime later this week or next week. But soon. Yes, soon. Anyway, let's get to the plants. I've rambled on long enough. I don't know what I should do first, guys. Do you think I should open plant mail first or do little planty haul? Let's do planty haul first because I'm sure what's in here is really, really cool. So we're going to do that at the end. And then we'll do my not as cool planty haul right now. So give me a second. Let me get those for you. This is the first one. I'll show you like better close-up pictures of it. But this is a Peperomia Metallica standard form. You guys have seen the Peperomia Metallica narrow form in my terrariums before, and how I propagated it and just the little journey that it's been on. That one is a terrarium one. This one, totally not. So I can have this little guy sitting right here with my sad Brazil. It's been like almost 100 degrees in this plant room. It was literally 98 degrees yesterday. So everything's been getting watered 1 to 2 times a day. It's been insane here. This guy got missed yesterday, so now he's sad. But I will water him and he will be fine, I promise. But I could literally set this peperomia just right up there on the shelf and he would be completely and totally fine and totally acclimated. He can go in terrariums, so he's definitely going to be going in my new terrarium as well. But I think I will put him in a smaller pot and leave him out here as well. Kind of divvy him up a little bit. So big plans for this guy, and the new growth is just so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It's got new bright green growth coming in, and then the backs are this beautiful vibrant pink, which is just so cool. And then they have this little silver stripe down the center of it, very sparkly, just beautiful. Fabulous plant. So excited. I've been wanting one for about 2 years now, so just to find one chilling lying around for like $4, very exciting. Very exciting. So I found this, guys. This is a beautiful Alocasia amazonica, also known as an Alocasia poly. Very common Alocasia. I'm sure you have seen them before, but they're really cool looking. I like how quickly they grow. I like the backs, how they have like a green and purple veination to them. It's just a really cool thing to see. It's really amazing. And this one in particular is 2 plants in one and has a bunch of corms sticking out of it. So I'll be able to chop some and gift some, and it's very exciting. So You might have noticed I'm kind of on an alocasia kick now. I think I'm up to 12 or 13, with more to come. I'm very excited for those. So, yeah, so just a lot of little common babies, but you know. Emily had suggested in another video when I was asking about like how I should do my porch and what colors I should do the porch in, she totally suggested teal color. As you can tell, I'm kind of hyper fixated on that at the current moment, and I found these for $10 each, 15-inch pot for $10. It's like, and thank you very much, I will take that. I will take 2, please. Yes, please. So, did that. And then, here, I put the succulents in the pot because I had them outside, and I don't know what's on them to bring them into my plant room. So that's kind of why they are this way. But I'll show you close-ups of these. This is what's called a panda plant, but it's basically just a very large kalanchoe. It's very soft, very fuzzy. It's got like little bear paws on it, which is just so cute. They will probably not make it, I'm going to tell you right now, but I really love succulents. I love how they grow. I live in the Pacific Northwest where it's sunny for 2 months out of the year, guys. So like, that's where we're at. This is another little kalanchoe. It's called a millotil, but I just really like that it's super soft and fuzzy, super velvety, and then I like how it's shaped like a spoon, but then it's got little spikes on the side of it, so it's almost like some weird spork or something. I don't know. I really enjoy it though. It's just really fun to touch and pet. Yeah, that's another fun feature with succulents. So if you're getting bored of the succulents, you just skip to this time, I guess. And then this is another one. This was only $3, guys. Like, it's so soft and so fuzzy. It's just, and this one says it's an Echeveria elegans. So Echeveria elegans is what this one is called. I hadn't seen it before, and it was very, very large for only $3. When you can get like the 2-inch pots for like $5 or $6 now in the grocery stores and stuff. So it's like, that's a little much for a succulent. So, but this guy, $3 for a big one? It's like, oh yeah, you're coming home with me. And this guy, I had never heard of this guy before. It says he is a Titanopsis calcareum. So Titanopsis calcareum, native to South Africa, which is no surprise. Like, all of our succulents seem to come from South Africa, which makes me really want to vet the sellers of these quite a bit, honestly. That's a whole other video, whole other thing. But this guy just, he looks Jurassic. Like, I love his little bumps. I love how he's just so cool. This one is a little thirsty right now, but he looks like he could be undersea coral or like some weird mold or fungus or like Jurassic rock creature. Like, I mean, he's just so neat. He's just a really cool little dude. So, he was a couple of dollars. I definitely had to bring him home though. So, that is that. On to the plant mail. On to the birthday plant mail. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at this. This is what you get when you open a box from her. Like, ah! It's so freaking awesome. It says, oh, hello there. Spoiler list on the back, don't read if you want surprises. Okay, I will not read it. I want surprises. Okay, but I will read to verify when I'm done in case I don't know what it is. And that is much appreciated. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Ah, guys, look at the fluff. Look at all the fluff. I hope you can see the fluff. Like, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. I should not have filmed this the day I'm posting this. There's going to be so much to edit. I should have waited. Oh my gosh. I have had construction at my house all week, like surprise construction that I didn't expect. they decided that they wanted to like completely peel our house and like repaint the outside and everything. So I haven't been able to film anything all week. And then we have guys like running wires and redoing the internet and stuff. Oh, that's another thing. I might be getting actual real internet soon. Here in the mountain in the middle of freaking nowhere, I might be getting real internet. Like, yay! You guys know, if you've been following me for a while, that like I've been stuck on my phone this entire time. So in the next couple months, they should have all this rewiring done like locally, and I should be able to get real freaking internet. Which, if you live in the city, you're probably like, what's the big deal with the real internet? Everybody's got it. No, not me. It's been 8 years. I have not had real internet for 8 years. So this blowing my freaking mind. I'm so excited. And that means that I'm going to be able to create better content for you guys. Like, I can use my actual real nice camera instead of my phone. I'll be able to edit with real editing software and cut out all my ums, which I know probably drive all of you crazy, or at least some of you crazy. So like, yes, and I'll be able to do so much better for you. And it's like, I'm so excited. Anyway, like, that was a super amazing like birthday surprise. So like the construction that's going on and all the noise that's going on, it's inconvenient for filming, but it's totally worth it. Like, oh yeah. All right. Anyway, I totally got sidetracked, but I wanted to share that with you guys. And we've got a magical box of awesomeness here. You see this? Ooh, I probably flashed that a whole bunch. So Splendid, Sunrise, and Polyneura. I don't know if that's actually what's in here or if like that was what was in here before. So we shall see. I want to open and see. Oh, it's so fluffy. Oh, I don't know where she got her fluff, but it's super fluffy. Like, it feels like a cloud. And I want to snuggle it. What did you fluff it with? What is this fluff? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, I'm trying not to make a mess. A white princess? No, you didn't. You didn't. You sent me a white princess? Oh my god, guys, it's the cutest freaking thing ever. Benchy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that is so cool. It's so cute. It's the tiniest, and it's got a new leaf coming in. Oh my gosh. I love, she's so organized. Finchy, how are you so organized? Teach me your ways. Like, it's labeled and everything. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me see. Whoa. Okay, so this is the Splendid, maybe? Okay, so this is the Splendid. And it's got a very cute little node and an aerial root. I hope you can see it. So there we go. And there's the Splendid. And it's got a little leaf that came out there. It's so cute. I'm going to have so much fun with this. Thank you. Oh my gosh. So cool. I don't want to put it here. I will put it in the fluff instead of, like, this is soft too, but not as soft. And then this is the Hoya Sunrise. I recognize it because it's what I dreamed mine would look like before it tanked. So, like, oh my gosh. Yay, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so happy. Vinci, you've got to make a grow lights video so we can get your grow light secrets for making your Hoya Sunrise so happy. And then this is a Hoya Polyneura. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys remember last summer for my birthday, I bought a Hoya Polyneura and it tanked within a couple of days. And this one has aerial roots and 2 nodes. And it's freaking gorgeous and huge. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I promise I will try not to kill it. I will try my hardest. Oh, this is so awesome. Thank you, Finchy. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm definitely going to have to get... I could probably put them in here prop box wise. I'll figure out the technicalities later. Okay, anyway, because time crunch for you guys. So, all right. So fluffy. So fluffy. Okay, and then let me get the tape off of these guys. I love this tape. I don't know if you guys can see the tape, but she taped it with, it's like masking tape, but it's got trees on it. It's so cool looking. I've got to have it. Honestly, like, I would love that for me to be, like, wallpapered with. Like, that would be some awesome wallpaper. What do you guys think? Do you guys dig the tree vibe? Oh, what is this one? Oh, this is the pink princess. You sent me a big pink princess. You didn't have to. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so huge and splashy. Oh my god. Wow. As a half moon. Like, guys. Guys. All right. Oh my god. You know, like, I see these pictures and it looked all muddy and I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. It's a bushy philodendron, so it needs high humidity and light, and I'm just not going to do it. Like, then I saw Greenhouse Girl 94's on Instagram, and I was like, okay, that is a huge, beautiful pink philodendron, like pink princess. I can totally see why somebody would want it, but I'm not going to go spend $200 on one and have it be like this little teeny tiny thing and be so muddy. And like, I just didn't join in on that hype. I was like, maybe eventually. And I was starting to think about getting one. And then Finchy was like, hey, I got pink princesses. I'm hooking you up. So I did not expect it to be this pretty in person though. Oh my god. You guys. All right. I'm sold. I've switched teams. Fine. You sold me. You brought me to the dark side of the force, okay? This is just so cool. I just can't believe it. It looks really, really pink. Oh my gosh. It's not muddy at all. It's got such good genetics. Like, oh. It's got a new little leaf coming in. It's so cute. Okay, I gotta stop oohing and awing over it. Ah, but it's so cool. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do, she got so much stuff in here. Okay, I don't know if you can see what I'm digging out here. Like, all kinds of stuff. She's got all kinds of stuff in here. Oh, I see. I did that wrong. I did that way wrong. This is the variegated heartleaf philodendron. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It's so, so pretty. I believe it's the variegated heartleaf philodendron. It's so huge. It's so huge. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh, my goodness. And I love that it's got the heartleaf. I'm sorry. I love that it's variegated. I love that it's got the heartleaf shape. I love that it already has pink stems, and that shows that it's coming from a pretty mature like plant. Like, oh my gosh. Like, okay, I have to hide it so it doesn't see the sad looking Brazil back there. Like, that will not be your fate, okay? I promise. I will take better care of you than that. Oh my gosh. Thank you. It's so cool. That's so amazing. Okay, let me go over here. And I think there's just this one last little bit. Oh my gosh. Yep. And then I think the rest is just fluff. I think we're good. Okay. She was all worried about the packaging and whatnot. She sent this with so much fluff. I could have put one of my kids in here and they would have been fine with all this fluff. Like, she totally did an awesome job. Okay. This one. Let me see what it says, guys. I'm sorry. I'm really liking this tape. I feel sad. Cardi RD. And then a strawberry milk. Okay. Here we go. So much fluff. She did such an amazing job. Oh my god. No way. No way. She sent me Syngonium milk confetti. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys. Oh. Like, I can't even. Like, there's the Syngonium milk confetti, and then this is the Syngonium Cardi Red, which I don't know the actual name for. I'm drawing a blank for it. I'm checking the back. So the Cardi Red, I thought I was confused. So I had to go and look it up because I didn't know it by the Cardi Red name. I knew it as the erythrophyllum. I didn't know the whole name. So that's why I was like, wait a second, that looks like that one, but wait a second. Like, the the foliage is so chunky. Like for a Syngonium, because like the Syngonium milk feels like an illusion Syngonium. It's so much thinner. And then the erythrophyllum or the Cardi Red is actually thicker. It's almost double in thickness what the other one is. That's so cool. Oh, it's got a new little leaf coming out. Like, oh my god, it's so cool. It's so amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all of these. They are beautiful and amazing. And I am going to get them in the greenhouse and in the propagation boxes. And they're going to be so happy. So, so happy. I will do my best to take care of them. Thank you so much. And guys, she sent this stuff to me like out of the kindness of her heart. She's like, you need birthday plants. What plants do you want? And then like... she's like, I'm just gonna send you a bunch of stuff. And I'm like, okay, here's my address. So, kind of blew me away. Thank you so much. I am truly grateful. This is one of the best birthdays ever. I am so excited with all of these plants. I'm excited with the ones that I bought. I'm excited for the terrarium coming. I am excited for these plants that Finchy kindly gifted me. Like, oh my god. And I'm excited for this YouTube channel and you guys. Like, I'm still blown away that there's over 500 of you now. Like, I know that seems like a small number on social media, but, like, it just, for me, like, I didn't think, yeah, anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Finchy. Talk Planty with Me is her YouTube channel. Definitely go and check her out. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see my giant terrarium and whatnot and get updates on all these plants. And I'm going to let you guys go because I have to edit this and upload it and then drive to go get my husband. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next one. Bye!